Hey guys, so finally we have upgraded to the Surge Protector, which has 8 slots. So earlier I used to have a Surge Protector which had about 4 pins. Now we have 8, so it's pretty awesome. And the best part is it's pretty cheap. It costs you about 1500 rupees, and it is one of the best Surge Protectors. So while it is an extension board which gives you 8 slots, it also protects your devices from surge. So if there is a sudden spike in the electricity, then it just takes care of that, it just eliminates that. And yeah, so that's an amazing part of the surge protector. So it just serves two purpose. One is acts as an extension board, second is surge protection. So yeah, it's a must buy for everyone who uses really important equipments, electronic equipments. Yeah, so if you're using one and if you are also traveling, then also you should carry these, because you don't know if the electricity provided at the location is good or not, because in some of the suburbs or even the cities, the spikes are pretty normal, and if you don't have stabilizer at the location, then it will cause your electric devices to fail. So yeah, pretty important stuff to get this thing. And as you can see, it's a pretty strong built surge protector. So that's nice, it's reliable, and it gives you lifetime warranty. I believe it lasts for about 3 to 5 years, but that gives you a good ROI just in case it protects you or your devices from surge even once. Then you are pretty much saved and you have received your ROI. So these are the three things broadly. So the packaging, the surge protector, and then some literature about what it does exactly. I believe this is a good one because I have been using it for years now, and it has never failed me. And one of the best parts is, so I travel in trains also, and what happens in train is there is sudden spikes and the quality of electricity is not very good. So in that case, the surge protector works really nicely, and your electric devices won't act crazy.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on being skilled.